Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of AI detectors flagging your work as AI generated? Whether it's essays, blog posts, or social media captions, we know how frustrating that can be. But don't stress, we have the perfect fix. Introducing SoftRevz, the ultimate tool for making AI generated content look 100% human written. It refines your text by tweaking the tone, word choice and structure, ensuring it reads naturally. Just paste your content, hit humanize and watch the transformation. With SoftRevz, you can say goodbye to AI detection flags and hello to authentic, polished writing. It's easy to use, highly effective, and works seamlessly with any AI-generated text. Stick around and we'll show you exactly how Bypass AI works to elevate your writing. Let's get started. First, I'll ask ChatGPT to generate an article on advancement in AI technology. The result? It's well written and makes sense. But how will AI detection tools rate it? You can see every tool recognizes it as AI generated. This can be a major issue if you need your content to pass as human written, whether for school, work, or publishing. So, what's the solution? SoftRevz is a powerful tool designed to make AI-generated text sound completely natural and human-like. Here's how it works. Paste your AI-generated text into SoftRevz. One of the best features of SoftRevz AI is that it lets you customize the output by choosing an advanced readability, like for university, high school, doctorate, journalist or marketing, and a specific purpose, and choose a detection bypass level. Just hit the Humanize and Scan button and let SoftRevz do the magic. The tool makes subtle but impactful changes to word choice, sentence structure, and tone, ensuring your text sounds like a person wrote it. Testing the humanized text. You can see it's showing as human written. Now, let's see how the humanized version of RSA performs on other eye detectors. Originality AI. 96% human written. 0 GPT also rates it as human written. SoftRevz AI really works. It's a must-have tool for making AI-generated content pass AI detectors. As AI-generated content becomes more common, having SoftRevz AI in your toolkit is a game changer. Whether you're writing essays, blog posts, or assignments, it ensures your content won't be flagged. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.